Good afternoon, friends. My name is Andrew, and I'll be your virtual assistant on behalf of my camera-shy colleagues over at Hermes Automation. Today, I'm really excited to introduce you to our newest innovation, the highly efficient response and messenger to emergency services, or as we like to call it, Hermes. Now, Hermes was born out of one simple frustration: the lack of real emergency dispatch solutions on the Hubitat platform and the limited customization options available from most established security providers. We wanted something smarter, faster, and more flexible, a system that works around your home, not the other way around. Hermes is a fully customizable, simple-to-use, and reliable alarm relay system that connects your existing smart sensors, switches, and virtual rules directly to live emergency call centers, powered by Noonlight, an industry leader in professional emergency response. Simply put, Hermes turns your Hubitat into a personalized, 24/7 emergency dispatch solution tailored entirely to your space. Hermes is built with clear, step-by-step instructions designed to guide you through setup without confusion. This video is just an introduction. For a deeper look at each section, explore the detailed walkthroughs available on our YouTube channel and website. When you open Hermes for the first time, you'll be greeted with a customized setup page featuring a brief app description and fields to enter your subscription information. This page appears only when no active subscription key is detected. Once your subscription is verified, these fields can be accessed anytime within the settings menu, and the app will open to the main page automatically. Both your subscription ID and authentication key can be found in the My Account section of our website, hermesautomation.com. Enter your subscription ID and authentication key into the appropriate fields and select Verify. The app will confirm that your subscription is active and allow you to continue. If you experience any issues during verification, please contact our support team at support@hermes-automation.com. Selecting Done with Subscriptions will take you to the main page of the app. Once on the main page, you'll see the Hermes title followed by a blue, No Active Alarm notice. This is a live status message. If an alarm is triggered, it immediately updates to a red, Active Alarm alert. So what does this mean in practice? In short, if an alarm device or switch is triggered while the system is armed, Noonlight representatives will reach out to you. If you are unable to provide your specific security PIN or Noonlight cannot get in touch with you, the proper emergency services will be contacted on your behalf, and the household information you choose will be shared with them. That's the core of Hermes: fast verification and professional response. Now let's look at how the app is organized. Below the live alarm status, you'll find the call center alarms, information to share, circle of trust, hub control, and settings submenus. Each section can be completed in any order, though we recommend following them as listed for the smoothest setup experience. Let's walk through each one. Call center alarms is exactly what it sounds like. These are the police, fire, emergency services, EMS, or non-emergency alarms and rules that, when triggered, will allow Hermes to contact Noonlight. Hermes offers multiple options for alarm types, including normal and silent alarms, as well as compatibility with the Hubitat Safety Monitor for our customers. Information to share is found below the alarms section and creates a list of both mandatory and optional information to share with the Noonlight call center. Mandatory information is typically the sensor that is triggering the alarm, while optional information could include items such as a door keypad pin to make it easier for first responders to enter the premises. Before reaching out to emergency services, Noonlight will first attempt to contact you in the event the alarm was inadvertently triggered. This is where the circle of trust is important. You will find your circle of trust below the information to share menu. This is your list of trusted people that you would want contacted in the event of an emergency, and the order in which to contact them during emergency alarm triggers. Customers can update the circle of trust at any time. Hub Control is a Hermes exclusive feature, a curated set of advanced automation rules designed to interface directly with your Hubitat hub based on the founding members' real-world experience. These optional enhancements provide additional customization and control, but are not required to use Hermes. Hub Control is currently under development and is scheduled for release in late 2026 as part of our continued platform expansion. Finally, we have the settings menu. This section is worth highlighting because it gives you direct control over your Hermes experience. Here, you can check the status of your subscription, enable automatic app updates, and activate test mode, an important feature that allows you to trigger test alarms without initiating a real emergency response. You can also manage push notifications, access logging options, and find help and support resources. So there you have it, Hermes in a nutshell. Like the Greek god the application is named after, we designed Hermes to be fast, reliable, and easy to use. For a more detailed breakdown of each section, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel for additional walkthrough videos. Thanks for watching, and welcome to a smarter, safer home with Hermes.